We utilize high-precision dispensing. Adjusting dosage based on LED size ensures sufficient coverage for a reliable electrical connection. After placement, each lead is firmly pressed to ensure optimal wetting between the silver paste and the circuitry. Once the silver paste is cured, the LEDs are encapsulated in a clear resin. This transparent layer solidifies the bonding, ensuring each component is permanently fixed to the circuit. By making SOPs and inspection criteria visible on the floor, we guarantee that every operator adheres strictly to the highest standards.